Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, 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 hello. South Africa, India, all over the world. I always start with South Africa. Why? Because they are special people. They are supporting the channel each and every day. South Africa is always on top. If I go on the analytics on my channel, most of my audience, they come from South Africa. And besides that, South Africa is my neighboring country. So I love South Africa. I love Africa. I love everyone around the world. So we have this mini PC. This is Intel NCU model DCCP847DYE. This mini PC came in for repair. These are jobs from another technician, so we can't spend too much time there because we are earning just a little amount of money. So this came in has no power. It's a classic. We have 3.0 USB ports, another USB ports here, HDMI port, Ethernet port. Here we have the charging port like Toshiba laptop. There's nothing different between PC, desktop, laptops. All they are the same. This is using 19 volts, 3.4 amps. So with the power supply, I'm sure I have 3 point something amps. Let's see. Let's lower the current to 3 amps. 3 amps should be fine. So now we have the charging port here. Charging port plugged. What? Soon as I plug in this power supply on this charging port, there's voltage drop. Again, 3 amps and is taking 2.3 volts. It means the main 19 volts power line is shorted to ground. That's very simple. Check there. Let's try something. Let's try the dodgy way. What I want to do, because if you put power, it's taking 3 amps. That means the main 19 volts power line is shorted. Even if you press the power, nothing can happen. So let's try to kill this short. Let's raise the current to the maximum. I want to see smoke. You can see 19 volts, 5.2 amps. I want to see smoke here. Nothing is smoking. This is 5.2 amps. Huh? And it's sparking. Check here. Now it's taking. We just killed the short. Now it's taking 2 point something amps. Let's see. Let's go back to 3 amps. Let's plug it again. On. I want you to pay attention here. Soon as I come with the charger, you can see something. Let's take out the power supply. Let's plug it back. This thing is on. Let's see what was shorted. We just kill the short. So what was shorted? What was shorted? I think I've seen the problem. The problem is visible. The problem is visible. Microscope. We have those 4 guys there. You can see those 4 guys. What do you think about the second capacitor? Huh? What do you think about this capacitor? And it's exploded here. So that was the problem. This capacitor was the problem. The capacitor has just blown up. We have 4 capacitors there. So I'm sure this has to work fine without that capacitor. This has to work fine without the capacitor. Let's see. It's coming on by itself. Huh? It's now off. You can see it's taking 48 milliamps off. Let's power it on. 225 and it's on. And we have a faint light here. It's very hard to see the light, but it is light there. You can see that light, that blue light. So this thing is fixed. This thing is fixed. So obvious, that was a power issue. I don't think we have any problem with display. And I don't have time to test because they won't pay anything. They will pay sick money after spending a lot of time, lot of trying. But otherwise, the important part is fixed. That important part is fixed. It's fixed. So yeah, the job is done. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Don't do this the dodgy way. I don't want to be a bad example. What I did here, these are some kind of shortcuts coming with too much current just to kill the short, and the short was gone. Even if I didn't take out that ceramic capacitor which was connected on the main 19 volts power line, still I was going to consider that as a fix because it was now coming on. So I'm 100% sure this job is done. Plug in the charger, it's coming on by itself. Long press just to power it off, and it's taking 48 milliamps. It's off. If we press the power on, it's coming back to 224 milliamps, and we have light here. So the job is done. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates, and see you on the next one. Bye.